Hi guys, so I'm going to show you a feature in Bandicam that will help you do your presentations and videos in a presentation way that is actually beautiful. They have an annotation feature. If you're recording in Bandicam, as you can see here, it's so easy to activate. You just have to hover your mouse all the way up on your screen, like where your screen ends in the top part. And it will bring up this, it will activate this barcode that has a couple of things on it. It has the dimensions of the video or the sizes of the video that you're actually recording and the display. And then it has the recording button, which at this point is pause or record because we're recording. It has the picture taking or screenshot button, but this last button with the pencil is what you need. So you want to go ahead and click on that, and it will bring up options that are like this. So these options are going to be showing you a couple of things. First of all, it has the mouse or cursor, no drawing. It will just be hovering and using your mouse, and you'll just be pointing and clicking as always or as usual. The second one is the pen. Now, when you grab the pen, you can write or annotate on your graphs or on your presentations as you want. But now this one, you can actually change the color. All the way underneath here, you see the box that is actually marked with the colors. You could pick up any color that you want and annotate with that specific color. So let's go ahead and change it. Let me pick up the color blue and say okay, and I'll be able to annotate in blue or purple or whatever that color is. So that's how you change the colors. You have the highlighter on there as well, so you can pick up the highlighter and highlight on your presentation or in your video as you may wish. The other thing is you have a line, because it helps you to draw the lines in your presentation as you want. For example, in this bar graph, you can draw lines running from left to right, or you could draw lines running from up and down. It's free form. You could do whatever you want depending on, of course, your presentation or your video of what you're trying to make. It has a pointer, and remember, all these ones you could change the colors for them the way I showed you before. So if you're making a presentation and you want to draw people's attention to number 12, you could just say number 12, click and drag, and it will put an arrow there to show you what you want to, for you to emphasize what you want to present. There is bounding box as well. You could get that. This is my favorite whenever I'm doing my recordings. It's a bounding box. You click and you drag, and it will show you a box, and when you release the mouse, then it will draw a box around whatever you're trying to highlight. It has a numbering system. You click on it and it will give you, say for example, I want this box to be number 1. I'll click on top of it as number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. You can mix and match them, and you can also always change colors as always, as I showed you from the beginning, by just clicking on the color box, choosing your color, clicking OK, and it will change the color. The next one is text. You can click in the T icon here, and you click anywhere on your screen, and you'll be able to type. And you'll be able to type anything that you want in your presentation or in your video. Now the last one is, of course, the eraser, and you could use that to take everything off of the screen, whatever you just actually introduced or whatever you just presented. You can be able to erase it out. And that's it. I think this is a very powerful tool that you could use in your videos, in your presentations and everything, and it comes in Bandicam. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.